currently in school getting my bachelor's degree. I graduate in 2024 in October. Can you give me a few pointers on how to get hired as an intern anywhere? What I would do, OG, is before you get out of college, before you finish your bachelor's degree, if you can, get some experience now. Because what I've learned in this field is that experience is everything. A lot of people focus on the degree, they focus on the certifications, and that stuff's all good. That's kind of icing on the cake, right? What you really want to do is get experience. So if I were you, if given the same, knowing what I know now, if I could go back in time and I wanted to be a cybersecurity person, I would look for experience right now. When you're in school, you can look for experience in your school. Like at the school, volunteer your time to actually help them with the network, help them with the wireless network. They're doing cloud stuff, help them with the cloud stuff. If you can get a job on campus, sometimes they'll do like this student hiring thing. And if you can get that, that would be incredible for you to do. You want to get experience before you even get out. I would say when I was in the military, like the one thing the military gave me was experience. When I got out, I had certifications, I had degrees, all that stuff. The first thing you need to focus on is the experience. So before you even get out, try to get experience. Even if you can get an internship before you get out, do that. Let me show you where you can actually get some internships. If you go to Google has a search job aggregator built into it. And I don't know when they started doing this, but it's really effective. So Google comes up with this right here, this little aggregator. This, all I did was type in IT job internship, comes up with this little aggregator. That's basically what it's doing is pulling all of these different jobs from all these other search aggregators. So you then take this and try to apply for jobs in your area. You can put them in your area, by the way. That's another thing you want to put in there is like what your area. Let's say you lived in Washington State. And so now it's going to only find IT job internships in that area, wherever you are. This is Washington, D.C. But you get the idea. That's what I would do. I would apply on campus, local places around there, even if they're not going to pay you. Because remember, experience equals money. The more experience you get, the more money that's going to be available to you. So you definitely want to apply. And then your internships are on, you can go to Google, you can go to Indeed.com, LinkedIn. All of those sites will do the same thing I just did here. All you got to do is put your information in there and you'll find some internships. But really, even if you can get in for free, especially before 2024, when you graduate, get the experience so you can put it on your resume. So right now, you want to focus on building out your resume so you can say, yes, I worked at this place and I helped them put up their wireless network. And then I also helped them do a physical security check. If you're trying to do cybersecurity, you want to focus on cybersecurity, like all the security stuff that you did, not just the IT stuff. But really, any kind of IT at this point in your career, any kind of IT is good, not just security. Just any kind of IT you can put on your resume.